अस्सलाम वालेकुम डियर। लास्ट टाइम हमने चैप्टर 11 हाइड्रोकार्बन्स की एक्सरसाइज के शॉर्ट क्वेश्चन सॉल्व किए थे। आज हम चैप्टर 12 नाइट्रोजन एंड सल्फ़र की एक्सरसाइज के MCQs सॉल्व करेंगे। डियर, अगर आपको इन MCQs में कोई कन्फ्यूजन हो तो कमेंट लाजमी कीजिएगा, मैं रिप्लाई करने की पूरी कोशिश करूँगा। तो चलते हैं आज के अपने टॉपिक की तरफ। First MCQs is, despite being the most abundant gas in the Earth atmosphere, nitrogen does not readily participate in combustion reaction because it is denser than oxygen. It has a high specific heat capacity. Breaking the nitrogen-nitrogen triple bond requires a large amount of energy. And fourth one is, it is a noble gas. There, nitrogen gas has a strong triple bond which is difficult to break, hence it does not easily participate in reactions like combustion. So the third option, C option, is correct. Next is, a student heats a solid ammonium salt with a solution of a strong alkali. The gas produced turns damp red litmus paper blue and has a characteristic pungent smell. The gas is hydrogen, carbon dioxide, ammonia or sulfur dioxide. There, ammonium salts react with strong bases to produce ammonia gas, which is known for its pungent smell and basic nature. So the exact answer is C option, ammonia. Next is, the shape of ammonium ion is pyramidal, triangular planar, tetrahedral or linear. There, ammonium has 4 bonding pairs arranged tetrahedrally around the nitrogen atom. No lone pair present. So the exact answer is C option, tetrahedral. Next is, in a catalytic converter, the conversion of nitrogen oxide into nitrogen gas and oxygen gas is a process of oxidation, reduction, combustion or neutralization. There, nitrogen oxide gases are reduced to nitrogen gas. Reductions means gains of electrons and lowering oxidation state. So this B option, reduction, is the correct answer of this statement. Next is PAN, peroxyacetyl nitrate. Formation start when dash react with hydrocarbons. There, NO2 plus hydrocarbons यानी कि नाइट्रोजन डाइऑक्साइड और हाइड्रोकार्बन्स इन सनलाइट फॉर्म PAN, peroxyacetyl nitrate, a pollutant in photochemical smoke. So B option is correct. Next is, nitrification is the process by which atmospheric nitrogen is converted into ammonia. Nitrate is converted into nitrogen gas. Ammonia is converted into nitrite and then nitrate. Organic nitrogen is converted into ammonia. There, nitrification is a biological process in the nitrogen cycle where ammonia is oxidized first to nitrite and then further to nitrate. So C option is correct. Next is, the most stable species in an acidic environment is sulfate ion, SO2, H₂S or sulfur. So their sulfate ion is fully oxidized and chemically stable, especially in acidic condition. So A option is correct. Next is, which gas is used in separating hard water from normal water? SO2, H₂S, NH3 or NO2. There, ammonia can help soften water by precipitating calcium or magnesium as their carbonate or hydroxide. So NH3 is the correct answer of this statement. Next is, the oxidation state of sulfur in H₂SO₄ is +1, +2, +4 or +6. There, in H₂SO₄, oxygen has an oxidation state of -2 and hydrogen has +1. To balance the charge in the neutral molecule, sulfur must have an oxidation state of +6. Next is, the drug omeprazole contains dash group thiol, sulfoxide, bisulfide or sulfone. There omeprazole contains a sulfoxide group which is crucial for its function as a proton pump inhibitor. So B option is correct. Next is sulfur dioxide produced from the combustion of sulfur can be further oxidized to sulfur trioxide under specific conditions such as in the presence of catalysts like vanadium pentoxide and high temperature, catalysts like iron and low temperature, strong reducing agent and high pressure, dilute acid and room temperature. There, this is the industrial method for producing sulfur trioxide, which requires a specific catalyst like vanadium pentoxide and high temperature. So A option is best, catalyst vanadium pentoxide and high temperature. Next is sulfur trioxide is not directly dissolved in water to produce sulfuric acid in the contact process because this reaction is too slow, reversible and would result in low yield or highly exothermic and produces a mist of sulfuric acid. And fourth one is requires very high pressure. There, when SO3 react with water, H₂SO₄ is formed. It is a very exothermic reaction, forming acid mist that's hard to handle. Instead, SO3 is absorbed in existing sulfuric acid to make oleum, then diluted. So C option, highly exothermic and produces a mist of sulfuric acid. That is correct. Dear, ये थे चैप्टर 12 नाइट्रोजन एंड सल्फर की एक्सरसाइज के MCQs। नेक्स्ट वीडियो में हम इसके शॉर्ट क्वेश्चन करेंगे। अगर वीडियो पसंद आए तो लाइक करें, शेयर करें, चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलें और बेल आइकॉन ज़रूर प्रेस करें ताकि हर नई वीडियो की अपडेट सबसे पहले आपको मिले। वीडियो देखने का शुक्रिया। अल्लाह हाफिज़।